So if you drive a Mazda 6 2.5i Sport with the halogens and it's time to upgrade your bulbs, with this model it doesn't use the LEDs, it uses the standard halogen bulb. So you can see my driver's side one is burnt out and it is time to replace it. So I went ahead and ordered a pair of Osram Nightbreaker Unlimited standard halogen bulbs. These are supposed to be the brightest and the best performing in the segment, and I decided to go with halogens just until I can do more research and figure out what type of LEDs I actually want to put in here. So let's go ahead and pull out the burnt out one, stick the Osram in, and compare with the factory one. Alright, here's a look at the stock Sylvania that was in there. You can see that the headlight is burned out, and these are the low beams, of course, and these are H11 bulbs. That was actually Osram that was in there. Let's see, it doesn't give the model number, just Osram H11 standard halogen, not the Nightbreakers. You can see those are different, made in Germany. So let's pop these out, put it in, and see the difference. And as far as getting the bulb back in, I was able to get it in from the top, but not without blindly touching something. And of course, if you get dirt on the light assembly, it will cause it to prematurely burn out. So going in behind the wheel here, as far as remove the wheel liner to have accessibility, just remove these little clips using a flathead. And now you can see that I've got the bulb in there. And let's go ahead and turn it on and compare. So let's see if that'll pick up the color temperature. See, this one's a little bit more yellowy. These are a little bit cooler color temperature. Now keep in mind this is just in the day, but as far as checking like the light beam for brightness there on the garage door, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but you can see the Nightbreaker is a touch brighter. So I'm going to go ahead and finish installing the passenger side one, and then we'll take it for a drive at nighttime. Alright, here's a good look at the Nightbreakers at night, and they do really good. And this is the low beams. These bulbs are specifically just low beam bulbs that I have in the car. There's a high beam setting, but there's a separate bulb that does the high beams, which is those. But that's the Nightbreakers. Look good. Nice good field of vision over the stock ones. I can see quite a bit better. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with them. So yeah, pick yourself up a pair if you're looking for halogens versus LEDs. I'll put a link in the description down below where you can get them. The big reason I'm staying with halogen versus going LED on this is the color temperature of all the other bulbs in the car, because they're all halogen. If I go LED for the headlight versus like the daytime running lights, which are here, those are halogen, the color temperature is not going to match. If I turn the high beams on, it's going to be different. And I just want everything to look similar and look like it matches. Alright, so you can see this is your high beam here, and then the Nightbreaker matches perfect. This is also your daytime running light too, when the high beam's off and the headlight's off. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll see you next time.